the Chrysler Crossfire. Now this is a cool little car, but is that, I don't know if that's bird, like, is that just dried? I don't know if I should be touching that. Anyways, working on the Crossfire, and this is kind of a fat pig in the back. And since I've got the Roadster, I got this big area right here, and what that creates is a huge blind spot. So I really can't see when I'm backing out of a car, a parking spot or anything like that. And that rear window is pretty much useless. I just can't see. It's a cool car, love the car, but I got to get something with a backup camera. So I remembered this company that I used, I have worked for before. Like, they've sent me some stereos. I went ahead and just bought one of their stereos because, you know, those other cars are long gone. And I always just leave the stereos in them. So I needed a stereo. I wanted to get a single DIN, flip out, with CarPlay, backup camera, the whole shebang. And so that's what I did. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get that done. I got to figure out where to mount the backup camera, drill some holes back here, which is always fun, and get that all ran. I won't bore you with that, but I'll show it to you when I'm done. Been doing pretty good. Got her all hooked up, and just finishing up, making sure the backup camera is all set up nice. Works good all the way up until the point where I drain the battery. So got the backup camera all wired in. I just gotta figure out exactly which way that orients. I don't know if it's got to go this way or that way, so once I have battery power, I'll fix that. And it's figured out. So got her all finished up. Gotta say, pretty happy with it. SOOEMAKA. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video at all. Give you a little bit of a rundown though. This isn't like a review or whatever. This isn't like me telling you all the specs. But it's got a USB front here, so if you do want to throw in like a memory stick or whatever, put your own music on there, I guess you could. USB-C charging, which works. I tried it. Auxiliary input, if you want a little bit cleaner. Sometimes the auxiliary sounds a little bit better than like Bluetooth. But here, let's flip it on. It's going to be hard to see because, you know, because the sun. But fires up. Kind of a, I mean, you know, a little bit cheesy down there, but the screen itself is super nice. These buttons, I know you can't see them because it's bright out, but you can change these like 6 or 7. Got to turn the Motley Crue down. CarPlay fires right up. I'm pretty impressed. Sounds really good. It's got a nice EQ on it. You know, you can adjust the EQ. I can't remember if it's like 8-band or 10-band, whatever it was. It was pretty decent. Comes with some presets, or you can make your own. So I gotta say, pretty nice little stereo, especially for, I think I paid less than 120 bucks, just under that. So for a flip out CarPlay, I mean, I don't think you can get any better than that.